Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I know I am showing off a different energy vibe today, but I just want it to be a little different than usual. Today I am ready to go out. I changed my outfit because I do need to run some errands. I do need to go to Target to buy a car wash detergent to wash my car, then get some good matcha and continue my laundry when I come back. That's about it for now. Let's get going. Oh yeah, and don't mind me makeupless today. I just want my skin to breathe, so it's a no makeup day. But yeah, let's get going. So the first stop is going to get matcha to get me caffeinated, and then we're gonna go to Target. So let's get driving. Okay, so I got my matcha. I ordered the classic honey matcha latte with whole milk. The lady told me to stir well, so I gotta do that before I start drinking. Okay, taste test. This is my first time trying this, so I'm a little excited. That is so creamy. What the frick? If I were to rate this out of 10, I would rate this at 8. Actually 9 out of 10. So good. Okay, gotta go to Target to get my car wash detergent. Hello, so I am back. I bought all the stuff that I needed. I even bought my mom's birthday cake, and now I'm just gonna finish up my laundry and do my first car wash. Let's see how this goes. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be very tired by the end, but I'm sure it'll be worth it. Hey guys, it's been a couple of hours since I've last filmed. Hecka tired, but my car is squeaky clean, and I ate spring rolls for dinner and I took a nap. It was very much needed, but now I am going to wash up, take a test, write my essay, and then sleep because I have a 9 a.m. shift tomorrow morning. So. And look who got tanned from washing her car. This girl. I don't like getting tanned. But yes, I am going to get washed up now.